Hello, in this short video I will show you how to use StatCrunch to create a histogram, and I'm going to work with commute times that I have here in the first column. So I'm going to go to Graph, Histogram. I'm going to select the column with the data, which is commute times, and right now I will just do a frequency histogram, and I'm going to let StatCrunch pick what it looks like. So this will kind of be the default. So let's take a look at it. So it's not very pretty. It's not very smooth. I notice it's kind of choppy, and so if you remember, if you looked at my frequency distribution video, you notice that when I was working with the commute times, I started at 0, but I had a class width of 15. So let's go in and change this, and you have an edit option right here. And if you go down here, it's got bins, just like it has for the frequency distribution. So I'm going to go 0 and 15. And one other thing I'm going to show you is, which you'll come to later when you learn measures of central tendency, is that you can show the mean and the median on the histogram. So let's go ahead and update the histogram. So here we have it now. So now it's nice and smooth. Now, if you take your mouse and move it over each of the bars here, it'll tell you the frequency in each of the classes and also the upper and lower bounds. And if you notice here, see how the upper bound has a right paren, which means 15 is not included in that class. 15 is actually included in the next class. So here we have a frequency of 15 and so forth. And then here's your mean and median identified here with the means there, and then the median is there. So the mean is in green and the median is in red. You also can do a relative frequency, so you could go here and change this to relative frequency. The shape will be exactly the same. The only difference will be the y-axis will be now marked off for relative frequency rather than frequency, but exactly the same shape. And that's all there is to making a histogram.